Hello you guys, welcome back to Manny's Kitchen Table. I'm so excited to have you today because I'm going to show you how to make this amazing brioche recipe that is going to become one of your favorite recipes, so stay with me today. Here are the ingredients we're going to use for our brioche bread, and then we're going to need 6 eggs. We're going to need a third cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1.5 bar of unsalted butter. We're gonna use kosher salt, and then we're gonna do bread flour. In this case, it's very important to do bread flour because some people use all-purpose flour. Okay, now that we have ready our dough attachment, the first thing we're gonna do is gonna be the warm milk. We have a half a cup right here. And then we're gonna do the tablespoon of yeast. We're gonna do 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. Okay, and right here I have 6 eggs. I have 1.5 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt, 5 1/4 cup of bread flour, okay. Now that we have everything in the bowl, we're gonna mix a little bit till it becomes like a small bowl. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna do the butter 1 tablespoon at a time, okay? See, we're gonna do this, small cuts. Okay, we're gonna keep our mixer on low speed. And as you can see right now, the dough is forming a ball right now. And then that's where we're gonna start doing the butter, a tablespoon at a time. This process will take approximately between 13 to 15 minutes. Okay, our dough has been mixing for approximately 14 minutes. We're gonna transfer our dough. We're gonna grease this ball right here. And then we're gonna let it rest for 1 hour in a warm place before we put it on the fridge for another 2 hours, okay? Okay, our dough is been for approximately 1 hour and at room temperature. Now we're gonna punch. And then we're just gonna play a little bit with it. Okay. We're gonna cover again, and then it's gonna go to the fridge for 2 hours, or even better, overnight. I really recommend to do overnight. It's so much better. The result, you're gonna love it. But if you don't have enough time, 2 hours is enough in the fridge. Our dough, it's been in the fridge for 2 hours. Second one. I learned how to do this when I was in culinary school. Now we're gonna do third one. As you can see right now, we're gonna go like this. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna transfer this right here. And then we're gonna do egg wash, okay? Make sure to do all over our dough. It's very important right here. a little bit of confectioner sugar. So we cover this, and then we're gonna let it rest for another 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, our dough has been chilling for about 20 minutes at room temperature, and now we're gonna do the oven, the preheated oven, and it's at 350 degrees. We're gonna cook this for about 30 minutes, okay? It depends on the oven, but 30 minutes is the right time. It's been 30 minutes in the oven. Let's check our bread. Wow, look at this. Wow, you guys, it looks pretty good. Look at this, it's so spongy, so fluffy, and the best part is the taste. It's really, really good. Amazing. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Manny's Kitchen Table and like this video. Thank you.